New at 11, our 8 News Now investigators asking questions about why a court issued an arrest warrant for a woman we found was already dead.
Well, she died after a stay in the Henderson Detention Center, and it's a story our Kyle Payne first told you about. He joins us now live from the newsroom. Kyle.
Brian, Denise, we know 33-year-old Nicole Shaver died in Henderson jail. Her loved ones think there's more to the story. They say she was on suicide watch and somehow died anyway. Henderson police won't say a word about it. And now we find out the court system there is treating her as if she's still alive.
They won't disclose anything. I've tried to get any information. It's all top secret, under investigation.
The fact that there's an investigation is all we actually know about the death of Nicole Shaver, who her family says came to Las Vegas as a young woman and wound up on drugs, on the street, and in trouble with the law. As you can see from mugshots and police and court records obtained by the 8 News Now investigators. Henderson police answered our first of 2 requests for information by saying, quote, "This is an open investigation with no further information." But the coroner confirmed she hanged herself inside Henderson jail, much to the dismay of Joseph Kozich, who has a child with Shaver and even got arrested with her.
Was she suicidal before she got arrested?
Never.
But while police won't tell us about the circumstances behind Shaver's death, apparently they're not also sharing the info with Henderson Justice Court, whose records indicate that this Henderson judge, Stephen George, held a hearing for Shaver's felony arraignment on auto theft and burglary over a week after she died. We asked the Justice Court why, and they emailed back, explaining, quote, "A warrant was issued on November 9th because Ms. Shaver failed to appear for her hearing. We have not received any information from the district attorney's office that she is deceased." But she is deceased, adding another layer of mystery to the case of Nicole Shaver.
Yeah, it's pretty wild. And
It's beyond wild. I can't even grasp it right now. It's like.
I reached Nicole Shaver's mother today in Michigan, but she couldn't speak with me because she hired a lawyer. She did say she'll have a lot to say when the time is right, Brian.
Kyle, thank you. A lawsuit filed in Henderson this year also claiming a man died in the Henderson Detention Center on suicide watch in 2021. That complaint says the man, 38-year-old Jason Foy, warned police multiple times that he would hang himself, and he did. The man's estate is suing for wrongful death in violation of his civil rights.